Well, good morning, Tiki Tour lovers. What are you barking at, Lou? I'm trying to do an intro here, mate. Just because someone's out mowing the lawns. Hey, there you go. He's barking at the guy across the road, whippersnipping. Anywho, back to what I was doing. Good morning, Tiki Tour lovers. We're on another adventure, another trip. This is going to be our longest one yet. We're going for 10 nights, something like 10 nights, I think. We're on our way to a place called Mallacoota. We've just stopped for some brekkie. We're about an hour and a half into the trip. We've got about 4.5 to go, and we're looking forward to it. Anyway, we stopped for a bit of brekkie. We're getting some Maccas for brekkie. Shh. What's your go-to Macca's breakfast? I don't have it very often, but sausage and egg McMuffin, hash brown, and a hot chocolate for me. Jules normally gets just a plain egg McMuffin. She'll get hash brown, or actually sometimes she gets the, what do they call the pancake things? Hot cakes. What is your go-to? Let us know. It's not great for you, but hey, it tastes delicious. Jules' first time driving the Caravan, towing the Caravan.
Whoop, whoop.
She was quietly shitting bricks.
Absolutely.
Well, actually,
I still am. What are you talking about?
It wasn't even quietly, it was loudly. But I didn't film that bit just in case. She's doing good. No panicking yet.
No, we're good.
Straight roads are good.
Yep. I did do a turn.
2 turns. You went around a big roundabouty looking thing, and then turned onto the main drag.
Yep.
Laughing.
And it helps that it's 140 kilometres of straight road.
Now I can have a snooze.
1, 2, yeah. Top down, flying through the city lights.
Where are we, Lou? Have we made it? Have we made it? Finally made it after 7.5 hours of driving. Jules has just gone across the reception, which is across the road there. Find out where we're camping. So far looks pretty good. We're just looking at our choices of sites. What do you reckon, peeps? This spot here? Got it first time. How good is that? It looks good. What are you talking about? Well, we finished setting up day one. Day one, I'd probably call it half a day. We're just about to chow down on some dinner. Got the fire going. Jules just made up, well, I've cooked the sausages and the fish. And Jules has made up a salad. Look at that. We'll call that a...
Hide the mess.
What are we going to call it?
Fish and sausage salad.
Fish and sausage salad. A Mallacoota Magnifico.
Except we're at Mallacoota.
Yeah, God, I just keep stuffing up the name. It's a Mallacoota Magnifico.
There you go. Find all the mess.
That. And I'm going to put some of it in a wrap. And Louis keeps sitting in the doorway.
Do you want...
What are you doing, Louis? Why are you sitting in the doorway?
Wait, do you want cream on your wrap?
Yes, please. Going to sign out for half day one.
Night, peeps.
Got the fire going. Going to have an early night because I'm tired after my trip back from Bali.
Hey.
And hey, what?
I drove.
Yes, they know you drove because I've told them that already.
I'm telling them again.
Anyway, I'm telling you again. Apparently, she drove and we didn't crash, so that's excellent.
Hey.
Anyway, see you tomorrow. Alright, we're going to try our hand at fishing again. We're at the Foreshore Caravan Park, and they've actually got a fishing competition here this weekend for Brim. I think it's the Brim Classic. All the boats are out there now, and then they come back about 2 o'clock to have a weigh-in. It's a 2-day competition. Might go down and suss it out later, but I'm going to have a go off the foreshore here, just at the jetty. I've done my research on chat, told me what to do, what to use. So if I can't catch anything now, I don't think I'll ever catch anything. Anyway, let's give it a crack. I'm back already. I'm back and I'm going to change my rig, because have a look at this dog's breakfast. Fish like a beginner, catch fish like a beginner. I'm going to do it properly.
Racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
3.575.
Don't know if you can see those fish, but they're bloody huge.
Yeah, I think it's this one. That one's about the biggest you got. Hold that open.
So that's day one of their fishing comp. It's a 2-day comp. Some of them are bringing in 3 fish, some are bringing in 5 fish. Their idea is to catch a brim, and it's breaking my heart. Seriously, I can't catch a cold. These guys are catching 10, 15 fish. They can only keep 5 at the most. And the biggest one so far has been 1.16 kilos. I fucking hate fishing. Stick fishing up your ass. First cast, got a snag and lost my fucking hook. What the fuck? I'm gonna go to the car and get the other fishing rod now. Ready? You know what? I think all these fishermen are liars. I don't actually think they're actually catching fish. Fucking sucks. Another snag. We've driven 20 minutes away. I've had 2 snags in 10 minutes and that's it. I've got nothing else here. Maybe I should just whack the fish on the head with the fishing rod. Okay, let's go. Ready? Fucking fuck. Alright, this is my last attempt. It's my last attempt. I feel like this has turned into a fishing show where no one catches fish. Anyway, if you don't try, you'll never succeed. I have faith. Sometimes.
Beautiful. Was it all day bite or?
Yeah, heaps of fish. Yeah.
Beautiful.
I can't stay there and watch that anymore. It's quite embarrassing. I shouldn't be in the same company as them. I can't even get a bite and they're bringing in 1.4 kilo fishes. Disgusting. I'm shameful. I'm gonna go to Fishers Anonymous. Get some therapy. Or I'll just try again. Whatever. Welcome to another episode of Shane Can Cook. Is this another episode or have we done this before? We did something last time. I don't know if it's Shane Can Cook. It was Shane. It was crabbing with Shane.
I wish we'd made some clean-ups before we started.
Well, that's fine. This is camping. This is what it's all about. This is Shane Can Cook. We are making smoky barbecue wrap pinwheels on skewers on a barbecue, and you have to have a glass of wine while you do it. Cheers.
Cheers, begin.
So basically what you do is get a wrap. Oh, hang on, no. Capsicum, onion, mince. You could chop it all up.
And where did you find this idea?
I found this on Instagram or TikTok. Shout out to whoever it was if you're watching this. I can't remember who you were. And if I'm copying you, bad luck, sue me. Anyway, it's kind of all the fad ages ago was doing the hamburger wraps. It's kind of just a different version of that. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this too, by the way. Don't just come out of the toilet and start squishing meat.
Yo.
Okay, smoky barbecue wrap mix. Sprinkled on like so. Some onion and mushrooms. No, actually, onion and capsicum. And then the wrapping part.
Just pack it. What is it?
It's not really working. It's not working.
Ready to go?
Here we go. Splash of olive oil. It's pretty dark, so you're just going to have to trust me that it's olive oil. It is. And our skewers. Let them fry off for maybe 5 minutes each side roughly. And now we have the final product. And the pesto resistance is the hoisin sauce. Just drizzle it over the top. Just a bit of hoisin sauce, a little bit of sweetness. And those bits on the side are just the leftover bits that you can't waste. Couple of glasses of wine. Glasses of wine?
Glasses. Couple glasses.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.
First time making it. Hopefully it's good. Give it a crack. Tell us what you think.
If it's terrible, we don't want to know.
Yeah, blame someone else because we got it off them. So I was going to stop and grab a coffee, but the bakery's closed. I was going to get a little snack there. And then next door to it is it's actually a little coffee shop called Sundays. Funnily enough, it's Sunday and it's closed. What's going on with that? And then we've got a little store next door to it, like a little souvenir and sticker shop, but that's closed as well. You can probably understand though, it's winter on a Sunday and there's not many people around. Walking into town, we're going to go to the local pub and get a counter meal for lunch. Left the doggies in the van for an hour or so, and then when I get back, all the fishermen should be back and I can go and see what I can't catch and see who wins the brim competition. This is the information centre where you come and book in.
And the reception.
And the reception to the Foreshore Caravan Park. It's not a massive town. What have they got, babe? They've got an IGA,
Bakery.
and liquor.
Couple cafes.
Got a few cafes. I showed you the other ones earlier that were closed. And Food Works, that's IGA, yeah?
No,
yeah.
it's two different ones.
Okay, two different ones. There's a pub.
Food Works.
There's a pub with a TAB. It's got an outdoor area we can take the doggies, but we're not this time because when we went past it there was another dog in there and ours won't shut up unless see another doggy.
A little yap.
Nah, a little yap yap. Anyway, let's see what sort of food they got. Oh,
It's super warm in here.
oh, it's nice and warm, cosy.
I think we should see this.
So it's a cool little pub. It's not big, we're the only people in here now. A couple people have left, but it's got a nice outdoor area. You can sit with the doggies. Nice little fireplace going for winter. It's not going at the moment, but kitchen, full bar, TVs everywhere. Not bad at all. Hopefully the food's good. I've ordered a fish and chips for Julesy and a fisherman's basket for myself. A couple of schooners of dry to start with. Cheers.
Cheers. Yummy.
Looks fresh as fish and chips. I don't know what is it. Fish flathead tails. I don't know. It looks good though.
Yeah, the
And
dressing's really tasty.
seafood basket looks very fresh.
Where's the basket?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, and the plate is the basket.
Oh, you get the whole lot.
See this? That's called fish. That's something I can't catch. So I'm buying it. Oh, that was terrible. Look at that. So disgusting, I ate the whole lot. How was your fish?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Very fresh. Lovely. Recommend. Come and have dinner, support the locals. Well, good morning. It's our last morning in Mallacoota. We're about to head off from here to our next destination, which is Eden in New South Wales. It's only about an hour and a half's drive. So we're going to head off shortly. We packed up most of our stuff last night. All we've got left is the doggy fence to go. Chuck in the fishing rods, hook up the van, and off we go. This place has been unreal. Weather, we got really lucky with the weather. We had a little bit of rain one night, and that's about it. It was forecast for a fair bit of rain, but we didn't get hardly any. Highly recommend this place, the Mallacoota Foreshore Caravan Park. It's massive. It's got 5 areas, but 1, 2 and 3 I think are all blocked off for the winter, and they just use this main area. We were on spot 139, which is up a little bit higher, which is it's actually been really good. We were supposed to be on 131, which is down where the fishing comp was, so that would have been a bit noisier. But yeah, highly recommend. Great for fishing, great for boating if you want to boat. Well, great for fishing if you can fish. I can't fish, so someone else might have a bit of luck here. There's plenty to do around the area. Got the bowls club, there's a golf club. You can go for a drive in the national park, or you can just stroll around and enjoy the sunshine. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you next week, because we're going to do 2 videos in 2 weeks. See you in Eden.